This is Jessica Harrington, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Rise 360 to build an e-learning course. This is just going to be a brief overview that's going to walk us through the basics of building a course with Rise 360. First of all, what is Rise 360? Well, this is part of the Articulate 360 suite of apps. These are all interconnected apps that you can use to author your own e-learning modules. I really enjoy using Rise because it gives us the opportunity to build things quickly without a lot of stress, and it's really great for beginners. This is something that anybody can use once they familiarize themselves with the content that's available. All right, so if we want to create a new course, we are going to do this by clicking this Create New button. And you have two options that come up. You can either build a course or a microlearning. So if we want to go ahead and build a microlearning, that's going to be a really short course, just one quick learning objective that we're trying to cover. And that's all that we're going to cover in that e-learning. If we want to build a full course, this is going to be something that has multiple learning objectives, multiple things that we are trying to cover. And we are going to go ahead and show you how to build that course. So we click Create New. Now, you have a couple of options when creating a new course. So if you have a certain topic that you're interested in covering, say you've been asked by your department to build a course on communication. We could type in here, communication, enter. And we see all these courses specific to communication that we're able to go in and edit and personalize for our needs. For this video, I'm going to actually show you how you can create a blank course. So if we go up here on the top right, we see this blank course. Click that button, and then a blank course will load. Here's our course. Okay, so we're going to build a course, let's say, on how to build a presentation with PowerPoint. And here we could add a description to our course. For the sake of time, we're just going to put ABC here. Now, we can build, first of all, lessons, and then we can also build a knowledge check. But then the sections are going to be how we divide our content. So say we want to have some specific content on the basics of PowerPoint. We can create a section which is going to help organize each of our lessons within our presentation. So to do that, we're going to press Shift Enter. We can add a section on slide formatting and hit Enter. And now we have that lesson. We can add a lesson on using templates and so on from there. And then say we want to add multiple lessons within this one section, and then say we want to add a knowledge check at the end. We can create a new section with that. So we'll press Shift Enter, and now we have that. And we can call it our quiz if we want to. And now we can add content to that. Now to add content into each section, we'll click Add Content. And we can add a template if we prefer. As I said, we can do a quiz for that knowledge check section, or we can do a blank lesson. So if we click that, it's going to give us options here to add images, videos, a process. We can just add text or a list if we want to. Cards that we can sort through as we're trying to present large chunks of information in a smaller format. We can also add a labeled graphic and even more. There are interactive activities that we can add throughout. We can add a chart. I really enjoy this interactive section where we can have label graphics that people click through, process if you're trying to break down how to do something that's in multiple steps. There's also scenarios where you can give a right answer and a wrong answer and walk them through. It's almost like a choose your own adventure kind of thing. So as you go through, you can kind of play with all these different options. Join us next time and we'll dive a little bit deeper into how to actually build these blocks and create a really interactive e-learning. Thanks.